Hello! Welcome to Miss Diana's class. Today we are going to discuss about simple present tense. Anyone know what is simple present tense? Yes, simple present tense is a verb tense with two main uses. To form a positive simple present sentence, simply follow this pattern: subject plus main verb. When do we use simple present tense? Exactly. Number one is for things that are true in general. Can you give an example? Examples: fruits and vegetables contain a lot of vitamins. My mother is a teacher. Fruits and vegetables and my mother are the subjects in these sentences, while contain and is are the verbs. Next, simple present tense is used for habits or things that happen sometimes or all the time. The following adverbs are commonly used for simple present tense: never, sometimes, usually, often, and always. Examples: I sometimes skip breakfast. She goes to school late. I and she are the subjects in these sentences, while skip and goes are the verbs. If you notice, all the examples follow the pattern subject plus main verb. For the negative sentence, the pattern is subject plus don't or doesn't plus main verb in base form. Examples: Rika bakes delicious cookies. Rika doesn't bake delicious cookies. My classmates like our history teacher. My classmates don't like our history teacher. If you notice, the main verb in these sentences are all changed into their base forms, bake and like. For questions, the sentence structure is do or does plus subject plus main verb in base form. Examples: you like ice cream. Do you like ice cream? She lives in Palembang. Does she live in Palembang? Remember, in making questions, do or does should come first. That's all the parents in simple present tense. Let's review. Try to compare the differences between the structures of simple present sentences. We have here the positive and negative statements and questions. Examples: honey comes from bees. Honey doesn't come from bees. Does honey come from bees? The second one: Dad and Uncle Anto watch football every weekend. Dad and Uncle Anto don't watch football every weekend. Do Dad and Uncle Anto watch football every weekend? Is everything clear? For our exercise, let's make sentences in simple present tense. The first one: sunlight helps plants grow. The negative sentence should be sunlight doesn't help plants grow. And for the questions, it should be does sunlight help plants grow? The second one: she doesn't work in a bank. The positive statement should be she works in a bank. And the question is, does she work in a bank? Did you get all the questions correctly? It is easy, right? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.